How do tiny birds find their way across oceans and continents? Birds don't use maps like we do. Instead, they combine several navigation systems: a magnetic compass, the sun and stars, landmarks, smell, and learned routes. Some birds sense Earth's magnetic field, giving them an internal compass that works even on cloudy days. They also use the sun's position by day and the stars by night to stay oriented. During daylight, coastlines, rivers, and mountain ranges act like highways. Some species even use odors. A bird's sense of smell helps it home in on the right region. Young birds learn routes by following experienced adults. Flocks pass on course corrections and where to stop for food and rest. So migration is both instinctive and taught. These systems together let certain species travel tens of thousands of miles every year. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which migrating animal you want next.